Hi guys, we are taking a look at the HomeMaxS toilet plunger. This is a really nice looking stainless steel style one this time. So it'll come disassembled, 3 pieces, that's all you need. Super simple to set it up. So there's the base, little plunger end is in there stored. So neat and tidy. And then let's unbag these little end pieces. So that side, you'll screw that in there. Super simple. And then I find the easiest way to put this end piece into the plunger is actually do it on a counter. So you've got a little bit of weight behind you. That's basically how I go about it. Screw it all the way in. Oop, there we go. And it is ready to go. And let's pop it in the case. So tidy, looks a lot neater than seeing just like a rubber plunger on the ground. Definitely check it out, HomeMax.